An RV roof fan motor is not a universal 12-volt part. Fan architecture, voltage range, direction, speed control, current, shaft, connector, mounting, thermal protection, controller, rain sensor, and lid mechanism vary. Begin with the exact RV fan model, revision, and approved replacement basis. Diagnose before replacing the motor. A fuse, switch, controller, thermostat, rain sensor, connector, ground return, corroded roof harness, low voltage under load, obstructed or warped blade, bearing, or lid mechanism can mimic motor failure. Follow the exact cause tree instead of swapping parts by appearance. Map every power source. The fan circuit may connect to a house battery, chassis battery, converter, shore power, generator, inverter, solar controller, or auxiliary feed. Secure the vehicle, disable automatic starts, isolate the relevant sources, and verify the safe state. One fuse or wall switch is not universal isolation. Low voltage can still deliver dangerous short-circuit energy. Remove conductive jewelry, protect exposed conductors, maintain polarity, use appropriate insulated tools, and preserve the specified fuse and wiring. Unfused jumpers, direct battery spark tests, oversized fuses, paper clips, and loose metal tools are prohibited. Prefer a manufacturer-approved interior or off-roof service method. If roof access is truly required, confirm walkability, support locations, ladder condition, fault controls, weather, surface temperature, moisture, wind, overhead hazards, and dropped object protection. Filming never justifies overreach or an unsafe edge position. Control automatic motion and stored mechanical energy. Rain sensors, thermostats, remotes, and automatic lid functions can restart a blade or linkage. After verified isolation, keep hands out of the sweep and pinch paths and restrain or position the lid only as the exact manual directs. Preserve the as-found assembly. Record motor orientation, polarity, wire routing, connector, grommets, strain relief, isolation mounts, blade depth and direction, hub engagement, fasteners, guard, lid clearance, and weather protection. Water damage, green terminals, cracked plastic, soft roof, or delamination expands the repair scope. Replacement compatibility is multidimensional. Verify voltage range, current and power, direction, speed control method, shaft geometry, mounting pattern, connector and pinout, lead length, thermal protection, environmental rating, blade or hub compatibility, and controller revision. Connector fit and a 12V label are not approval. Use only the exact approved wiring and test method. A controller output may be PWM or electronically protected, not a simple battery feed. No generic bypass, polarity reversal, direct battery lead, live bare wire splice, or loose bench spin appears in this film. Conceptual diagrams preserve the safety boundary. Restore mobile environment wiring integrity. Use specified connectors, fuse, grommets, strain relief, clips, polarity identification, and routing away from sharp framing, motion, heat, ultraviolet exposure, and water. Twist and tape splices and household wire nuts are not universal RV roof repairs. Motor replacement may not disturb the roof flange. If a flange, fastener, cover, or penetration is disturbed, use the exact compatible roof preparation, tape, sealant, fastener, and cure process. Never hide moisture, corrosion, cracked flange, delamination, or structural damage beneath generic household caulk. Final verification is system level and fully guarded. Restore the screen, covers, trim, weather protection, wiring, fuse, polarity, fasteners, blade clearance, and lid mechanism, clear tools, then verify commanded start and stop, speeds, direction, current within the OEM procedure, noise, vibration, rain or thermostat functions, and leak inspection after cure if required.